For over a decade, the iPad mini has been the black sheep of the Apple family. It's the device Apple tries to ignore, yet the one a cult-like following refuses to let die. But as we move into 2026, the whispers coming out of Cupertino aren't just about a spec bump. They are about a revolution. The iPad mini 8 is no longer just a small tablet. It is being positioned as the most powerful handheld computer ever conceived. But why now? Why, after years of jelly-scrolling controversies and recycled designs, is Apple finally ready to give us the Pro Mini we've been begging for? Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The answer lies in a single word: OLED. For the first time in history, Apple is rumored to be shrinking the breathtaking XDR technology of the iPad Pro into an 8.5-inch canvas. Imagine holding a window in your hand where the blacks are infinite, the colors are visceral, and the brightness rivals the midday sun. We aren't just talking about a better screen, we are talking about the end of the LCD era for the compact tablet. But there's a catch. Rumors suggest that to keep the price from skyrocketing, Apple might be testing a single-stack OLED, a move that has the tech world divided. Is it a compromise, or is it a stroke of genius to keep the Mini accessible? Let's go deeper. Under the hood, the iPad Mini 8 is expected to skip generations. While the Mini 7 gave us a taste of Apple intelligence with the A17 Pro, the Mini 8 is rumored to be housing the A19 Pro, or even the monstrous 2nm A20 Pro Chip. This isn't just about opening apps faster. This is about putting the power of a MacBook Pro inside a device that fits in your jacket pocket. We are talking about 12 gigabytes of RAM. In a Mini. Let that sink in. This much memory suggests that Apple isn't just making a tablet. They are making an AI powerhouse capable of running complex LLMs and generative tools entirely on device. But the hardware isn't the only thing changing. The very body of the iPad is being reimagined. One of the most insane leaks coming from the supply chain involves a hole-less design. Apple is reportedly testing vibration-based speaker technology. No speaker grills. No entry points for dust. This would allow the iPad Mini 8 to be the first ever IP68 water-resistant tablet. Imagine taking your digital notebook to the poolside or using it in a heavy downpour without a second thought. It changes the utility of the device from a couch companion to an all-terrain survival tool for creators. Now, let's talk about the Mini Pro dilemma. For years, the line between the Air and the Pro has been clear, but the Mini 8 is blurring everything. With rumors of a 120Hz promotion display finally arriving to fix the scrolling issues once and for all, the Mini brand is moving into the premium tier. But can the battery handle it? A 2nm chip is incredibly efficient, but pushing a high-refresh OLED panel requires serious juice. Apple's engineers are reportedly working on a new stacked battery chemistry to maximize every millimeter of space. Why does this matter to you? Because the way we work is shifting. The era of the bulky laptop is fading. The iPad Mini 8 represents the ultimate intermediary device. It's the digital canvas for the artist on the subway, the portable monitor for the filmmaker on set, and the ultimate gaming console for the enthusiast who demands more than a smartphone screen. But there is a dark side to this excitement. Price. With OLED, water resistance,